Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline in Slack to reclaim your focus and manage your availability without being constantly interrupted by pings. Step 1. Set yourself to away. The most effective way to appear offline is manually toggling your presence status so the green active dot turns into a hollow circle. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left sidebar. From the menu that appears, select Set Yourself as Away. In the 2026 Slack interface, this is an instant toggle. Even if you continue to browse channels or read messages, your teammates will see the hollow Away icon next to your name. This is perfect for when you need to catch up on conversations without looking like you're available for a real-time call. Step 2. Pause your notifications. To truly appear offline and not just away, you need to stop the notifications from reaching your desktop and mobile devices. In the same profile menu, click on Pause Notifications and choose a duration like 2 hours or until tomorrow. When you pause notifications, a small Z will appear over your away icon. This signals to your team that you aren't just away from your desk, you're intentionally offline and won't be seeing any immediate pings. In 2026, anyone who tries to DM you will see a notice that your notifications are paused, which helps manage their expectations. Step 3. Clear your custom status. Sometimes a lingering status like a lunch emoji can give away that you were recently active. Clearing this ensures your offline look is consistent. Click your profile picture again, hover over your current status, and click Clear Status. If you prefer, you can set a status like offline for deep work to provide context, but for a true hidden look, leaving the status blank while set to away is the best move. Don't forget to check your notification schedule in your preferences to ensure Slack doesn't automatically wake you up at a specific time. And that's pretty much it. To appear offline in 2026, click your profile picture, select Set Yourself as Away, and then pause notifications to mute all incoming pings. This combination hides your active status and ensures you can work in total peace until you're ready to set yourself back to active. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.